guys, it's me, Hanaven Quijano. I'm going to review food from Philippines because some of the food I haven't tried it yet. So I'm going to show you the food, and I am so ready because I'm so tired from buying it. So everything is on here. Okay, this first I will show you the receipt. How much did I buy? I guess the total is 141. It was worth it. So first I have. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna show it now. Have this. I do not know them, but I just took them out from the grocery. And this one, let's see if I'm going to be smart here. And we have this blueberry cheesecake, so it's yummy. And we have this. So this is all I have brought. This is very exciting to try them because I haven't tried them. So I think our first going to eat is this blueberry cheesecake. Well, I know Jack and Jill because it's the brand's name. So I'm going to try this. And it only has 10 pieces. And this is the packaging. Oh, it's in one pack. There's 3 cookies. I guess the flavor is blueberry cheesecake since it has here. So let's see how it looks like. Oh, by the way, I never seen this small Coke before in Philippines. I guess in Philippines they only have this type of little Coke because I never seen Coke like this. Okay, anyways, so this is the cookie. Oh wow, the cookie has like this blueberry thingy in here, and it has some icing, and the cookie is like a donut shape, and over here is like a whole shape. Okay guys, sorry for the double chin because the camera was very low and it sees my double chin, and I keep saying and so, but keep continuing for the video. Okay, let's try it. Let's see if it tastes good. It kind of reminds me of that one snack in Macau, which has like the jam here. It's like a jam thing. Oh wait, or maybe it's like a gummy. But in Macau, there's also like this, and has cream also in the sides with a circle shape. This tastes so good. My childhood in Macau has like this. Okay, I'm gonna rate every food rate out of 10. So this one reminds me of Macau, so I guess it's not really that unique. I'm gonna rate it out of 8. Well, it tastes like Macau food. See? Okay. I think next is like this one. V-cut. I see everything is very every Filipino like this V-cut. It is cheese flavor, made from 100% real potatoes. So this is what it looks like. Let's try opening. Oh, okay. It's like normal chips. And the shape is like this. That has lines on it. The smell is, I don't know how to explain. So by the way guys, this is just my only review I mean my personal review. I'm not hating on it. I'm not doing on it, but it's only my personal thinking. So it's like every Filipino. If you guys will attack me, no, this is just my personal review. Okay, so now let's try this. Wait, I'll try it again. So the thing here is, like, I can't taste the cheese. I only taste the potato. It doesn't taste cheesy, like, because I only taste potato. Since it's potato, I'm going to rate this. Rate this out of 6 because I don't very taste the cheese, and the powder of cheese is nothing. I can't see any powder of cheese, but it's only a little, even though I'm still eating it. Oh, I really love this Coke bottle. It's very small and convenient. Okay, next is this one, Nutty Bites. Okay, so what I see here is like it is choco peanut. I think it's made from chocolate and peanut. Oh yeah, it is made made with real peanut and wheat, and it is like a circle shape. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to try it. Now let's open it. I'm kind of having a sore throat because I don't know, it started in Thursday. So, oh, it's so cute. It's so little. And it says Presto with a crown on it. See, it's so cute. Okay, try it. It does taste like peanut butter, which I love by tasting foods, like tasting their own flavors. I'm going to rate there is on this review. What should I? Well, it's very yummy and it has a lot of pieces. So this will be like 8/10. Okay. So I really want to refresh. Let's try this IQ Smart drink, which is vanilla flavored milk drink. Vitamin A, wow, for normal ice. B vitamins for energy production. So this is so cool. Imagine if I become smart for tomorrow. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. It's very small. Well, I saw a big one like this, but I'll try the small one first. Straw. It's very cute also. I do taste that milk and vanilla flavored. It tastes like a soybean from Macau. Like, what's that? Oh yeah, Vita milk. Soybean Vita milk in Macau. Oh, I miss that. Oh, I'm gonna drink a lot of this when I go to the grocery again. So this tastes like Vita milk, but in a vanilla flavored. 10 out of 10. No, this is 10 out of 10. Nothing else. I really like this. Oh, vlogs! I saw a lot of people buying this. Even in sari-sari stores, I see people selling this, but I never tried this before. So, oh yeah, it is mango flavored. Inside, I guess there's mango. Yeah, and I think it's like a marshmallow. Yeah, it's marshmallow. Okay, so this is the packaging. Wow, mango cream filled marshmallows. I'm so excited to try this. How many pieces are there? Oh, 24 pieces. That's perfect. So many. I love mango flavors. I can't do it. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's not even. Oh, look. It's so small. But it looks like mango here. And it says O Puff. And it says mango cream filled marshmallow. Yeah. Ooh, it's so small. It's so soft. Oh, look, it's so soft. Whoa. Whoa. Look, it tastes so good. Oh, the mango cream. Oh, I'm buying more of this. There's even different flavors. I think strawberry, but I found a chocolate one. I was supposed to buy it, but mango really is in my mind right now. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So first you have this fluffy marshmallow. Very nice. And when you bite it, you have this creamy inside. This cream filled mango. Very soft. I really like how soft this is. It's very yeah, it's gone. I ate it all. So what I'm going to rate this is infinity 1/10. Just kidding. This is 10/10. It's so yummy. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I really love this. Then the drink. Okay. Next is Richie. Oh, is it Richie? Or is this the brand? Oh wait, no, this is the brand. Nutri Snack. This one will be our last snack. It's a crunchy snack, and it is milk flavor. This looks like. Oh, is there any Macau foods? No. There's no Macau foods like this. It's like those. What's that? Oh, it's Moby. It looks like Moby, the food of Philippines also. It looks like this. But it's not really look like in the image. I think the taste will look like it. So, oh wow, look at the cow. It's very muscular.
Club is the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, and then we talk slow. And we come over and start up a conversation with just me. Trust me, I'll be
It's like this. What? Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh no. Oh, I didn't realize I ate it. Wait. This reminds me of one not Filipino snack. One Macau snack. I don't know what it is, but it tastes like it. So this one, first I'll review this. Okay, I guess it's right that it's crunchy, but I can't taste the milk flavor. All I taste is crunchiness, but it's very crunchy. I can't taste the milk. The review on this is 3 out of 10. It's very bland. So my ratings are, first is of course O-Puff. I really love them. Okay, this is the first. O-Puff is the first. IQ Smart is the second. Which will be first? Oh, this is the third. Yeah, this blueberry cheesecake. Then this one. Yeah, this one. This Nutty Bites. And V cut is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth snack. And this Richie milk flavor will be on the 6th. Oh no, spilled. It's going to be on the 6th pile. What I'm looking for is the flavors, or the flavors and what it says in the packaging that needs to be on the foods or the snacks, because I'm looking for that specific sign of it. So yeah. Hey, you want to try snacks? Come here. I'm filming a YouTube. Come. You're going to be on my YouTube channel. Okay, wait. What do you want to try first? Richie, V-cut. Okay. What do you think? You say what do you think about it? Okay, try. What 10 out of what?
100.
No.
10 out of 10.
Okay. Naughty bites? Okay, here. Which one is your more favorite? V-cut or naughty bites? This one? Okay, how about Richie? Give me your hand. Oh, there, try. What does it taste like?
Like heaven.
Heaven. Okay, now we're going to try this blueberry cheesecake. Okay, this one has a jam with sugars on. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it.
I never
It's like
have it
sugars
at my
on.
baon. It's my
It's
favorite.
in Macau. Oh, you don't know?
Okay, I
This has it on Macau.
want to buy
But
it.
I think this is a different brand. Okay, try it. Okay.
Delicious.
Okay, what? Wait, I'm going to eat that first. 10 out of?
Well,
Huh?
10 out of 10.
How about this one?
10 out of 10.
I think all of it's a 10 out of 10. Okay, you try to refresh. Try this. It tastes like Vita milk, right? Tastes like Vita milk. Soybean. Yeah. What does it taste? What are you going to rate it?
100 out of 100.
Oh, 100. Oh, this is my favorite, Kevin. You need to try
My
it.
egg yolk.
This is not the egg yolk. This is mango.
Mango.
It's marshmallow inside. Marshmallow inside has cream.
I love mochi.
You eat it in a half bite. What
I
does
love mochi.
Okay, eat. Okay, which one is your favorite? Your first favorite? This one, your first favorite. Okay, it's V-cut. Your second favorite? Okay, his second favorite is the cheesecake. Third is the Richie. Oh no, yeah. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth is the but really?
Because I love mochi.
This is my
And
favorite.
then the 50.
This one is the fifth. And
Why is there a Coke bottle?
And this one is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Oh, do you want to try?
Yeah.
Tastes like Coke. No need.
Okay.
This is mine. Okay, bye. You say bye to the Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow
And
my
like.
Instagram. Like and comment what do you think about the
And
video.
share also.
Yeah. So bye guys.